Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to be a writer? Yes, you're one of those, even if you've never considered writing a book before. You have a wealth of experience, interests and ideas accumulated through a lifetime that others could benefit from. Think about it for a minute. Think about what you know through your career, relationships, hobbies and life challenges. You probably take these things for granted and assume that no one else would find them useful or interesting. But you're wrong. There are people all over the world searching for knowledge that you could share with them. Don't let doubt or fear get the best of you. Take a chance, attend the 48-hour author half-day workshop and learn to start writing your book. The 48-hour author half-day workshop I attended in October 2018 was the springboard that I needed to take the plunge and unlock the potential and also find the courage to put myself out there and to soon become a published author. You'll discover your voice, how to become a professional author, all while having fun and learning the basics of the publishing trade. No matter what type of writing you're planning on crafting, you'll need guidance along the way, and the 48-hour author half-day workshop is the best way to start, and they'll teach you what it takes to get published. It's a fun and exciting class for all aspiring writers. Draw upon the advice of the 48-hour author and start your writing journey today. The 48-hour author half-day workshop will challenge you to make writing and publishing a book one of your goals for the new year. Good luck.